It feels so clean and fresh. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the Aztec and apple cider vinegar hair cleanse. I have hella gel in my hair right now. I've been seeing this going around YouTube and I just wanted to try it. I've never tried it on my hair before. Never. So this is how my hair is looking, dry, brittle. I did take out my braids. I got a trim before that, just like, okay y'all, so I'm back. My hair, I just wet my hair because you have to do this on wet hair. I went ahead and bought the Aztec healing clay. So I've actually had apple cider vinegar, the raw unfiltered kind. I got this from Publix. It's the Simple Truth organic brand. So I have that. I got my handy dandy bowl, some gloves, because who getting their nails dirty? Not me. I have a plastic cap to put on for during the process. And you're gonna need a plastic comb. Do not use metal in this chemical. And then I also just picked up this defining custard by Cream of Nature. It's new. And then they have this silicone free lightweight shine mist. I also have my spray bottle. So those are the things that you're gonna need. And I got a detangling brush just in case afterwards if I need to detangle. Basically, I'm gonna get this started. I'm kind of nervous, but we're just gonna do it. So my hair is soaking wet right now. So I gotta put these gloves on. What? You told me to get a small. I need gloves. So I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see what my hair looks like right now. So this is what my hair texture is looking like right now. Wet. I do have a heap load of gel in here. So we're gonna see what this does. I'm excited. All right, so I'm taking this clay. Ooh. It's fizzing. I'm mixing it with a plastic spoon. So this process is basically just stripping your hair from all the gunk that's in it. We just want to strip everything out so our curls can come back. I know my hair may have some heat damage in the front. Well, it definitely does. So you want it to look like this.
Pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and I'm gonna come back with it all rinsed out. All right, so I just washed or rinsed that stuff out, and now I have deep conditioner in, but I can definitely tell that my hair is so much smoother. Look at the curls. Look how the brush is going through. My brush never does this. All right, y'all, so I'm back, and wow, my hair is so soft. I'm shook. It feels so clean and fresh. But that's it, y'all. So now I'm just about to do a twist out. So thank y'all for tuning into my video and watch me use this Aztec healing clay mask on my hair along with that apple cider vinegar. It's really soft. I feel like my hair is clean. It's so soft and the curls will definitely be popping. Okay?
Cause you popping.
Bye y'all.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm ready.